Alright, here we are. We've made a little temporary jury rig wiring, skeleton wiring. All it does is energise the injector pump and the starter motor, so the rest of the truck's wiring is completely bypassed. Stuck a couple of batteries on it, and if I clamber round, we have a new lift pump eventually, after a fair amount of buggering about and sorting out of fittings. But anyway, it's there, so bled everything through, and now's the moment of truth. Well, I don't know about you, but I think I'll call that a win. All the best, cheers.